the training to welders, welding engineers, supervisors, and all. Okay, we are giving the certifications to company also. That is 3834 1090 15085. Okay, PED certifications. All these things we are doing. Okay, so here our managing director, Mr. Satish Sawan, he is the ex-EDOR. So यादव जी आपका ही बंदा है वो. Okay, he has worked in Advani Orlicon just 5 years in 1987 to 1992. Then he's gone to L&T and he's worked in L&T for 16 years. He is a AWS certified inspector, certified welding inspector from USA, and he is a international welding technologist from Europe, IW, and he is a level T person. So that all qualifications he has. Okay, this is Mr. Satish Sawan, and I am myself Dilip Chavan. I am working in Mukund Ltd for 20 years. I am also certified welding inspector. I am in mechanical engineering from VZDI. Okay, and I have worked in all Gulf countries also, in Saudi Aramco companies, and then I worked in now I am associated with managing director with Mr. Satish Sawant, Institute of Welding and Testing Technology. He is giving training to welders. मोहित जी बोल रहे थे वो हमारा वही टारगेट है कि ऑल इंडस्ट्रीज को वेल्डिंग के बारे में नॉलेज देने का. दैट इज आवर मेन मोटो, बिकॉज when we are going to industries, when we are asking the welders what is the rod you are using, they are not able to answer. This type of education is not there for welders, and that our concept to educate the welders, and that very important. We don't know the difference between welding, brazing, and soldering also. That is what is welding, what is brazing, what is soldering. That also we don't know. That also we are giving this basic foundation to be very good. Then only we can go for the advance, because nowadays in the industry there is nothing. They don't know the WPS. If you are asking what type of current you are going to use, what type of voltage you are what WPS you are going to use, they don't know. What is WPS also don't know. So we have to educate the welders how to weld the welding. So that is the difference between welding and brazing and soldering is that just like welding gives the two or more dissimilar metals with the same family. Some they don't know the same family. That is not MS to SS can be welded, but MS to copper cannot be welded by GMAW and SMAW welding. Okay, GTW welding. So these are the processes we are using. And then the soldering. Soldering is what the thin sections can be welded by the soldering. This is that is above the 427 degrees Celsius. But that the brazing also very strong, just like welding. And then soldering is just like below the 427 degrees. We have to go for the soldering, and that just like marriage, arranged marriage, just like arranged marriage is the welding, love marriage is the brazing, and live-in relation is the soldering. That type of education we have to give the basic funda of the welding, brazing, and soldering. Then only they go for the advanced welding and advanced training of though we are focusing on the basic training of the welders. Okay.